good luck, everybody. 2022, 2023, Topps Chrome Sapphire, UEFA, soccer. Haven't done a soccer break in a long time, but able to get my hands on this one, so figured might as well give it a shot, see if we have any luck, and we're able to do it. This is a little promo thing for Topps Football. Football app or something. And there we go. There's all my packs. We're looking for 8 packs inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put this out here. And here we go. Somebody, Chris is the one I was talking to about this when I got this. So I'm sure he knows a lot of the guys. But if anyone knows any of these that are like, big name guys, let me know. So we got green to start, so we'll save that to the end since we only got 2 parallels apparently. If you see someone that I don't notice that you know is a big name, let me know. Come off mute, let me know, and so I make sure I get it properly top loaded and everything. But most of these, these cards are so cool. Ansu Fati. And this is also going to be a fun part of this, is pronouncing these names. I know Paul's in here just to listen to me pronounce these names.
Here, that's why I'm here as well.
Yeah.
I'm super excited to hear Chad try to pronounce those names.
Yeah, Chad, if you could guess the middle names as well, that'd be great.
Oh, yeah, I don't know about that, but Barcelona on this first one. 193. So that one's going to Taylor. Weston McKinney. I've heard of that name before. 115. Mark. Bruno Fernandez. Number 8. Jared. Oh, I've heard of this name before. Jude Bellingham. Dortmund. Number 22, Nathan. There you go, Nathan.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's I don't think it's like a rookie, right? But still, he's one of the big names, I believe. Younger big names. So next pack, Eduardo Camavinga for Real Madrid. And this is number 12, Nathan. Fabio Carvalho, Liverpool. Number 28, Jared. Martin Odegaard. I know that name. Heard of that name. Number 88, Jared again. And one of the Wonder Kids, one of her first Wonder Kids, Benjamin Sesko for FC Salzburg.
These cards are really good looking.
Yeah, they are.
I kind of regret not jumping in this.
Hey, these are sweet, I think.
Oh, yeah. Yep. And it seems like they, like Topps Chrome Sapphire for, baseball and stuff is nice, but the feel of these cards compared to baseball is just feels a little bit like a next level up. I don't know. They just do it different over in I don't know if they're produced in the UK compared to US. I don't know. Giancarlo Borges. I don't know. This one's a rookie. 134.
Is possible?
What was that?
Nothing. Came on off mute.
Oh, gotcha. Borgs. 134. So, Taylor. Leroy Sané. Sane. I think it's Sané. FC Byron. 196, Kyle. Future stars, Mohamed Darami for FC Copenhagen, which is 81, Chris. There you go. Future stars. And the last card in this pack, rookie card, Rodrigo Ribeiro, Sporting Club de Portugal. Number 194. How old is this guy? 2005. So less than 20. 18 probably. What? Is that what it is? 194 that one was. Taylor. Top load up the rookies, obviously. This one top loaded up as well. That one was 134 as well. Okay. Still haven't seen our second color. And there it is. Looks like maybe a yellow. Which yellows are yellow or gold, I don't know. And I want to say it was, I forgot. I guess we could put these up here, huh? You know. I want to say that was like Man United on the back, maybe? But I don't know exactly. I've played FIFA game a couple times, you know, so I know some of these games, but it's been a minute. Oh, here we go. Mikhailo Murdoch for Chelsea FC. We're 52 for Nathan. Paulo Dybala. I remember this name. I don't know if he's still any good. Plays for Roma. We're 159. Taylor. Rookie card. Amin Gorgi? I don't know. Gorgi? 24. Taylor. A lot of fours so far. And the last one, David Silva. I know this name. David Silva. 154. Another 4. This one was a rookie. Taylor's getting lucky with the 4s right now. Okay. Onward. Nicola Barella for Milano. Nicolo Barella, 23. Taylor. Alvaro Sanz. Rookie for FC Barcelona. 67. Diego. Yeah, one sec. Give me a second on that one, eh? FC Barcelona. Rookie for Barcelona. That's probably usually pretty good, right? Warren Zaire Emery. Rookie for PSG. And another rookie at the back. 135. That one's Mark. And our second Wonder Kids, Rooney Bagaji.
You can't just say it louder. Like.
Makes it sound like I'm saying it right. 13, so Taylor. What do you mean I can't say it louder?
The dude's last name is Smith. That's just the Dutch spelling.
Yeah, imagine. It looks like Bagali, but it's Smith. Alright. That was a good pack for rookies. Got a bunch of rookies. 3 of them. Alright. Guys like Messi are in this too, so I mean, it's a possibility. It's a possibility. Here we go. Somebody pronounce this one for me. Come on. Don't be scared now when I tell you to pronounce it. Arline.
I can't even see the name.
Is that better? Takanami. I don't know. Future star for Real Madrid. 124. Taylor. Ryan Gravenberch kind of like saying it louder like that. Kind of. There's the first 0, 120 for Chris. Next up, Federico Chiesa, 83. Taylor again. Taylor scooping these up. Hey, there's one from Manchester United rookie Charlie McNeil, my favorite card so far.
The easiest name.
Yep, Charlie McNeil, my guy. That's my guy, Charlie McNeil. Nice. All right, we're down to our last 2 packs, and I'm guessing this green's going to be higher numbered than the other one, so let's do this one first. This is another great name. Danilo, rookie card for Feyenoord, maybe? 13. Another rookie, Julian Alvarez. I've actually heard of that name. Manchester United rookie. That's probably a good one. Oh, yeah, we love this one. Jared, 68 on that one. Kylian Mbappe, BSG. And our last card, we'll see what Mbappe... it's a rookie for Real Sociedad de Football, Mohamed Ali Cho. Wow, what a name. 3, numbered 48 to 70. Taylor. Boom. Nice one there. Love it.
What number was the Mbappe?
Oh yeah, one sec. That's too excited.
Taylor's just cleaning up.
I know, he's cleaning house, isn't he? Mbappe is 100. Card number 100.
Oh, there you go, Chris.
Chris was the...
Man, that hurt a little bit, but that was fun. I think I'm gonna buy a box of this or 2.
Yeah.
I like this card. I like these cards.
We got 1 pack left. Don't leave now. We're not done yet. Francisco Cancicio. I don't know how to say that with all those little whatever they are. 168. Jared. Ooh, I don't know what this is gonna be, because this, green's usually 99 in regular tops. So Charles De Ketelaere, AC Milan, number 90 for Chris. Dejan Kamari, rookie for FC Salzburg, and this is for Man United. It's a rookie. Let's see.
We know who this is.
Oh, Kobe Mano. I don't know. Wow, that's beautiful. What's this going to be, number 2? Oh, that one's a 99. Of course. Flip them around. 47
card,
99. Yeah, it is.
The centering is really good.
Oh, yeah. Little kind of a color match with the
That's a pretty card, man.
Yeah, that is
I like
really
that.
cool. Makes me want to watch soccer more. All right, I got a couple rookies here to top it up, and then we'll just do a little recap of all the rookies and some of these top guys. Top load up the Mbappe. All right.
All of these cards look good though. Like they all look good.
I'm telling you, if this, I think they're done in the UK, so they take a little bit better care of their cards over there.
So they care about quality.
I think so.
Not like Panini.
Right. This guy missed this rookie. Missed this rookie. Okay. There's 2 rookies I missed. Let me topple those up. Give me 1 sec. Almost to the recap. Bunch of rookies, actually. I mean, obviously, if you're looking for, like, Messi, you're not looking for rookies, but if you're not going to hit them, these are the guys you want. some base cards over here that I'm gonna obviously sleeve up, get those nice and if there's a name that's a base card that I didn't top load up that you know you want top loaded up or something, just let me know, because I don't know all the bigger names right now. McNeil, 5. Sanz, I'm not gonna actually read all the numbers, but Zaire Emery, Gurari, Roberio, Borgs, Murdoch, Carvalho, Danilo, Julian Alvarez, Kamari, Cisco. These are the Wonder Kids. Jaji, I don't know. Jude Bellingham, Mbappe base cards. Then I have 2 numbered cards. Kobe Miano, I don't know. Number to 99, rookie. Both of our rookies, or both of our color cards are rookies. That's awesome. We love that. And Muhammad Ali Cho. Wonder what position this guy played. Oh, forward. That guy's a forward, and that guy's a midfielder. So this is a pretty nice one. I mean, I'm gonna look them up, see what they're going for.